and welcome in Ed Gannon. We are so happy to have you. Ed is from Vintage Olive, and everybody should know that olive oil is so healthy for you.
Yes,
you know,
ma'am.
and we talked last week, Jack mentioned the polyphenols. Tell us one more time about the polyphenols in the olive oil.
Yeah, the biggest thing about the way we do our olive oils is we buy it from the producer, and
Right.
they ship it to us, and we bottle it at the store, so it's super fresh, and that's what keeps the polyphenols high on our olive oils. And
Okay.
then depends on, like, early harvest olives or have higher polyphenols, so we get early harvest olive oils for the people who like the high polyphenols. And the high polyphenols are just a protection system for your whole body.
Whole body. Yeah, a lot of people recommend that you take a teaspoon of olive oil before you go to bed.
We recommend 2-3 cups.
Well, you're in business.
A teaspoon to a tablespoon.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
a lot of doctors say just as long as you get it in your diet during the day. You don't have to do it on an empty stomach.
Right.
And then the vinegars have just as many health benefits as the olive oils. And we have about 25 different olive oils and 25 different balsamic vinegars.
Well, and you said the vinegar, the balsamic vinegar really doesn't have an expiration date for the most part, but the olive oil, you want to try to use that within 1 year.
Yeah, keep the stopper on it
can't
good.
keep it that long.
And keep it out of, don't set it like olive oil doesn't like heat and light and air. So
Heat,
just
light,
keep the
and air.
stopper on it, keep
Okay.
it away from like the stove, right next to the stove.
Okay.
And then the vinegars, like I said, they're 12-year aged already.
Okay.
So they may reduce down, get a little thicker, but
Okay.
but you can't hardly mess them up.
I can't. I love it. Well, we were talking about some things that you're doing here, and this salad looks delicious. What did you do with
Now,
this?
this is a real easy salad, and it's one of my favorites, but it's diced up watermelon, avocado, jalapeno, little shrimp with some, and the vinegar I put on this is lemongrass mint. So, and it's got some cilantro in it.
Ooh.
But you can also, we have a new balsamic called watermelon. Just tastes like you bit into a ripe watermelon.
Summer.
And we have a hot honey balsamic vinegar now. So there's a whole bunch of different ones you can put in this salad. And another little tip, if you like the jalapeno taste and don't like the burn,
Right.
you can hollow them out and put them in some cold water for an hour or so, and they'll taste like jalapenos without that sharp bite.
Now that's what I would have to do because I
And
like
it makes
hot,
them
but it doesn't like
delicious.
me. We also, let me ask you another question. We also talked last week when Jack was talking to you about a private tasting. And I'm thinking that'd be so much more fun than a birthday party at tell me a little bit more about that.
Yeah, the
How
nice
many
thing
people
about-
do we have to have? How far ahead do we have to know?
You can just call us, and if we got a day open, we just need a couple of days of notice.
Okay.
So, but we cook. We have appetizers, salads, 2 proteins, 2 vegetables, dessert. We have waters. You can bring your wine and beer in if you want to.
Okay.
And we cook the whole meal and just show you how we did it, and then you can mingle and visit. And we do birthday parties, graduation parties, and a little bit of everything.
I just love it because that's something different, and I really, really, and you're going to be healthy.
Exactly.
Instead of all that sugar. We were talking too about, I love your mixes. Like I use your dipping for your bread.
Yeah, the hand blended seasonings. A guy in Galena, Illinois, makes them for us, and he doesn't make them until we order them, so
Okay.
they're super fresh. And we have about, probably 40 different ones. But we include, like, this is a bread dipping kit. It's Tuscan herb olive oil, which is our #1 for dipping bread, and a little dark balsamic, a little pork spout, and a bread dipping seasoning.
Oh, great.
So we can make, for gift-wise, we can kind of make up anything you want. And these are little sample packs. This is a fruity sample pack, 3 oils, 3 vinegars, and that's a hot and spicy, smoky sample pack.
So something for everybody, not a doubt about it. And then I keep looking at this cedar plank here. Tell me.
Those are delicious.
Tell me about this.
We have actually 4 different sizes of the cedar planks, but they're called grilling planks. And the number one thing, probably we put salmon on them. We have a maple balsamic vinegar that you put on some salmon, and then soak this in some water for about 30 minutes, and then just put it right on top of the grill. And it gives it a little subtle, smoky cedar flavor.
Okay, that's kind of like the principle when you soak your hickory in water and then it combines with the smoke, and you get that.
Exactly.
I love that. I think you've just done an awesome job with all of your gifts. And you are right there in the Pepper Tree Shopping Center,
That's correct.
and down from Pepper Tree. And
Next door.
Yeah, right there. And you're open on Tuesday through Saturday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the hours?
10 to 6.
10 to 6.
So and you can shop online anytime, vinegars.com.
So then if you shop online, do you have to come pick it up, or you can?
Well, we can ship. We ship all the time.
Okay.
We ship almost every day, but you can order online and we'll have it ready where you can, you can call us and we'll run it out to you.
Wow. Well, I'll tell you what, it's great to be able to get healthy and to love what you're eating.
Yes, ma'am.
You can eat healthy and you can eat good. And
That's
thank you
right.
for making it so easy for us.
Well,
Thank
good.
you.
We appreciate it.
And thank you for being with us. And we're at the age and stage where being healthy and eating good need to be one and the same. And you do a great job of
Well,
that.
thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, Ed.
All right.
And we'll be right back.